This is an old KOBI Electric LED lamp. Has 36 LEDs in it, driven serially by a constant current power supply. Each LED drops 3.3 volts or so to get 120 volts total from your power at the house. And all of these went bad on my dad. He had 6 of them. And each one has just one LED that goes out in the serial chain. And so I jumpered one. It's right here, right there is the one I jumpered, and then got this light to work. But one of them did have a bad power supply, so I put it in this Bosch flashlight, 18 volts, and I had to rewire it. So that's what you get. Now this battery has been completely drained. It's only got about 9 volts on it, to show you that that's pretty bright, but this is way down in power. But I just adapted it for this light because it fit. Now I'm not getting focusing of the beam. It lights the whole room up, but it's really bright, and it's just a good way to do it. See the description that I write up on how I had to rewire this serial plate to get a combination of serial and parallel to drop 18 volts. That's 7 times 5 because I had one burned out LED. It's 35 LEDs.